Can TCL TV AirPlay? Yes, TCL TVs support AirPlay, but only on models that run Roku TV or Google TV with AirPlay 2 compatibility. AirPlay allows Apple devices to stream content to TCL TVs wirelessly, including videos, music, and screen mirroring. However, older TCL TVs and models running basic smart TV software do not support AirPlay. 1. Checking if your TCL TV supports AirPlay. Before using AirPlay, confirm if your TCL TV supports it. TCL Roku TVs, 2020 models and newer, have AirPlay 2 support. TCL Google TVs, 2021 models and newer, support built-in Chromecast, but some models also include AirPlay. TCL Android TVs do not have native AirPlay, but can use third-party apps. To check on a TCL Roku TV, go to Settings, then Apple AirPlay and HomeKit. If you see the AirPlay option, your TV supports it. 2. Using AirPlay on a TCL Roku TV. If your TCL Roku TV supports AirPlay, follow these steps. Step 1. Ensure your TCL Roku TV and iPhone.iPad are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. On your TCL TV, go to Settings, then Apple AirPlay and HomeKit, then turn AirPlay on. Step 3. Open Control Center on your iPhone or iPad and tap Screen Mirroring. Step 4. Select your TCL Roku TV from the list. Step 5. Enter the AirPlay code shown on your TV if prompted. For streaming videos, instead of mirroring, open an app like YouTube or Apple TV+. Tap the AirPlay icon and select your TCL Roku TV. 3. Using AirPlay on a TCL Google TV. Some TCL Google TVs also support AirPlay, and the process is similar to Roku TVs. Step 1. Connect your TCL Google TV and Apple device to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Go to Settings, then Apple AirPlay and HomeKit and enable AirPlay. Step 3. On your iPhone or iPad, open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring. Step 4. Select your TCL TV and enter the AirPlay code if needed. 4. Alternatives. If your TCL TV does not support AirPlay. If your TCL TV does not have AirPlay, try these alternatives. Use a streaming device. Apple TV, Fire Stick, or Chromecast can enable AirPlay. Use a third-party app. Apps like AirScreen on TCL Android TVs allow AirPlay streaming. Use an HDMI adapter. Connect your iPhone or iPad directly to the TV via an Apple Lightning to HDMI adapter. Many TCL Roku TVs and some TCL Google TVs support AirPlay, enabling wireless streaming from Apple devices. If your TCL TV lacks AirPlay, external streaming devices, third-party apps, or HDMI adapters can provide similar functionality.